If you're thinking about buying a used F-150, you need to watch this video right now before it's too late. There is one model year that mechanics recommend most, a great used F-150 option to consider. The problem is, word is getting out. Prices on this year have jumped 30% in the last 12 months alone already. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which year to buy and why waiting even 1 month could cost you thousands. Here's what happens every single day. Someone walks onto a used lot and picks an F-150 based on price or color alone. They don't check the engine generation. They don't check the transmission type. They don't check which problems that year is known for. 6 months later, they're in the shop spending $3,000 on repairs that could have been completely avoided from day one. A smart buyer doesn't just buy an F-150. A smart buyer buys the right year. And today, I'm giving you that answer for free. The best F-150 year to buy used right now in 2026 is the 2014. And here's exactly why mechanics all agree on this. The 2014 was the last year of the 12th generation. That means Ford had 7 full years to fix every single problem possible. You get the 5.0 Coyote V8 in its most refined form, 3rd year of production, all first year issues completely sorted out by then. You get the 6-speed automatic transmission, proven, reliable, not the 10-speed that newer trucks are having problems with right now. You get a full steel body, not the aluminum that started in 2015. Easier to repair, cheaper to fix. Body shops love working on it. And you get the fully boxed frame that Ford perfected since 2009. 6 years of engineering built into the bones of this truck. Now here's where the urgency comes in and why I said you need to act fast on this before it's too late. 2 years ago, you could find a clean 2014 Coyote F-150 for $11,000 to $13,000 all day long, no problem. Today, that same truck is selling for $18,000 to $22,000. Some loaded Laureates are pushing $25,000 right now, and it's only going up from here. Why? Because the 2014 is the last steel body Coyote F-150 ever made. Last of its kind. Collectors are waking up. Enthusiasts are hoarding them. Mechanics are telling their own families to buy them right now before they're all gone. In 5 years, a clean, low-mileage 2014 F-150 Coyote will be a $30,000 truck. That's not a guess, that's math. Now, if you're going out to buy one this week here are the 3 things every mechanic checks first before buying any used truck. Number 1, check the oil. Pull the dipstick. If it's milky or smells burnt, walk away immediately. That engine has internal problems right now. Number 2, check underneath for frame rust. Southern trucks are gold. Northern trucks can be hiding serious corrosion that will cost you thousands later. Number 3, ask for maintenance records. A 2014 with documented oil changes at 200K miles is worth more than a 2014 with 80K and no records. So stop scrolling through listings hoping to get lucky. Now you know exactly which year to buy and what to look for when buying. Hit like if this saved you from buying the wrong F-150. Subscribe for more content that helps real truck buyers make smart decisions today. Drop a comment if you already own a 2014 or if you're going out to find one this week. I want to hear about it.